Hello Scorpios, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. And as you know, they are also general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. On one side will be your energies, on other side will be the energies of your person, and then the most likely outcome. And please swap the characters according to the situation. Pick your sides, whichever side it can be. The energies can be vice versa also. Okay, so let's see what we have for Scorpios. Page of Pentacles on your side, Chariot on your person's side, most likely outcome the Five of Cups. What's this? What is this? Really absurd. Let's see how the clarifiers come up as. Anyway, with the Page of Pentacles, you want a new beginning with your person. Okay, you are totally focused on them, and you want to have a new beginning with this person. Okay, and you feel that it is a stable foundation, and it's a something stable in your life. Okay, and as far as your person is concerned, this person is also moving in, taking action, taking charge of the situation, and moving in fast. Okay, so a lot of action is taken from your person's side, and it gets a go type of a scenario. But then most likely outcome is the Five of Cups. What is happening over here? Why are you upset? Why is the outcome upset? Why are you sad? Depressed? Let's see. Won't be commenting much till I get the clarifiers. That if everything is okay, why the outcome is, why are you so depressed? Why are you so upset and isolated? Let's see. Why is okay? So we have the Page of Wands, Six of Cups, and the Death card on your side. Let's see what's there on your person's side. We have the King of Pentacles, the Nine of Cups, and the Nine of Pentacles. What is this? Let's see. Most likely outcome. Okay, we have the Empress. Okay, we have the Sun and the Fool. Wow, beautiful, beautiful. Anyway, so yeah, let's move on. So basically, Scorpions, there has been a new beginning over here, and you've been very stylish and trying to impress this person, and everything is good, good, good. Okay. See, things have started off beautifully, and it has been very good type of a relationship, but something is ending here. There is some sort of transition which is happening, and this is something which is related to it's very weird. Why is it ending? Let me take some more clarifiers. I think I need to take that. Why is this? Okay, we have the Hangman, the Two of Pentacles, and the Judgment. Okay, yeah, now I've understood. Basically, what is happening over here is put them here. Oh, okay, I'll put these cards here for once. So, what is happening over here is that you are into this relationship and you have a new beginning with this person. You are trying to create those happy memories or some past, some nostalgic events. You're trying to create something. You have some fond memories. Either it was a relationship in which you have reconciled, it can be that also. Maybe there was a tough patch between both of you and you have reconciled, it can be that also, and you are trying to recreate that thing again, it can be that also. Okay, but it is ending. Okay, if it is a reconciliation, it's coming off as something is ending, those fond memories are ending, happy times are ending, whatever you, something is ending here. And as the clarifier, what I am getting here is with the Hangman, the Two of Pentacles, and with the Judgment, what I feel here is that things are stuck, things are not moving forward, because though they have begun beautifully, but things are, and you have spent some quality time together, and you, if it was a reconciliation, you were able to sort of get back into those times when you had fond memories of each other and you had already spent happy times with each other, if it was with this relationship or whatever it was. But you were having a happy time with this person and you were happy that in this relationship, but it has ended because of the reason that things are not moving forward because of some indecisiveness. There is some major indecision which is being taken and things are stuck. Now what is it which is making the things stuck, which you have to see in your situation? You must be knowing that what is this indecision about. Okay, there is something which is stuck, things are not moving forward, and because of this lack of indecisiveness, the problem here is it calls for a decision, it calls for the major decision. And because these things are stuck and this decision is not being made, that is why it is ending. Okay, so this new beginning is ending over here because of this fact that things are not being decided. Things are stuck for whatever reason. Either you are not deciding it or you are not in a position to decide, whatever it is. Maybe the circumstances are such that you are not able to move this relationship forward. It can be this also. Okay, even if you want to, maybe these are the external factors which are not allowing you to move forward. It can be that also, not necessarily amongst both of you. Okay, it can be that both of you are on the same page, both of you have emotions and everything is okay on your part, but the thing is, if you are not able to make a decision or a commitment or anything, or not able to step up this relationship because of any external factor also, which is basically the things are stuck because of some decision which is vital over here for this relationship, and that is why these happy times are ending, that is why the tension is creeping in. Okay, this is on your side. As far as your person is concerned, this person is pretty much in charge of the situation, and this person is happy and content and wishes are fulfilled, and they are spending time, they are cool. And what energy I'm getting here is this person is cool. Yeah. This person is taking back the power. They are emotionally content, they are spending time alone also if needed, and this person is pretty much in power. They have their shit together basically. This person has the shit together. Okay, so they, I don't think that they are getting much affected by anything over here. Either they are very confident, yeah, they are confident that they will be able to make it. It can be that, because I feel over here amongst both of you, this is the person who is mainly taking the control of the relationship in a good way, not in the bad way, in a good way. And this person is very content, and they are, I think, confident that they will be able to make it. That's what I feel. That is why they are not much affected by whatever is going on over here. They know that they will be fulfilling their wishes. That's what I feel. And that's what is coming up also. Yeah, that's what is coming up over here also. With the Five of Cups, maybe you are upset because things are ending, or maybe there was a transition that this person was also upset, and though they are spending their time giving them themselves that time to come out of it if it is. But I don't see it's, even if they're affected, they're not affected much. But yeah, as the outcome, though, there was a Five of Cups, so there has been a transit energy, definitely, because it's a mutual thing, which has caused some sort of depression, some sort of anxiety, some sort of upsetness, being upset over here. But the thing is, the Empress, the Sun, and the Fool, all are the major arcanas. What else do you want in life? New beginning, happiness, flourishing, abundance. You are just moving in beautifully, and you will make it. And I think this is the energy of the person over here who has taken charge of this situation, and this is the person who is confident and will make it. You have the Empress, which is a major card, again a new beginnings, abundance. Sun card, ultimate happiness. The Fool, taking the risks and move on, whatever will be type of a situation. Okay, let's see what happens, and just go with it, and you will make a new beginning. Scorpions, beautiful, beautiful. Let's see what is the guidance from the universe for you. Like attracts like. If you long for more love, be more loving. Number two may be of some significance for you. This thing here is, be in touch with your inner child. Be in touch with your inner child. Don't be very tense in this situation. Whatever is happening for good. And if you are in a positive space of mind, like attracts like. If you feel positive, if you feel content like this person, you will also be able to come into a positive situation, and be in touch, be happy, be innocent, and be in touch with your inner child, and try to be happy. Okay, so basically, if you are happy, you will be able to attract happiness towards you. That's what I feel. Okay, beautiful energy, Scorpios. I just hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.